Welcome back to another video. It's the girl Shaddie, and in the car we have Dejanay. Around the back we have a heap of people. Wezzy, Calm, Dai, and Javela. Big up, big up, big up. Short girls, I don't know. So anyways, today is another exciting vlog. We are going to St. Thomas. We are going to try and find a river by the name of Allen Spring. Now, I saw lots of persons, well, not a lot, probably like 2 persons posted on Instagram. I reached out to try and get the directions, but basically it's just directions to the community of Hunt Hill. So when we reach Hunt Hill, we have to go ask, and hopefully we'll find people we can actually make, you know, hopefully we can find the river because it looks really beautiful. So stick around. We're going to go and pick up some more persons. We're going to go get gas. So, you know, we're just in for a beautiful day. Everybody ready? Yeah. No, them so like them just a wig. Everybody ready? Yeah. All right, let's go. Let's go.
I never really know what's going on.
All right, guys. So reach Yalas, and then now we're going to get some juicy patties, and then we'll be heading to Morant Bay. So the instructions that I got was we keep left at the Morant Bay roundabout. We're going to go through Seafort. We're going to take the left over the bridge. We're going to drive until we see another big bridge. Keep right on exiting the bridge. We're going to take the first left at a bus shed, and then we'll see a sign that says Hunt Hill District. That's where we're going to stop and ask for directions to get to Allen Spring. So it's basically like a Dora the Explorer adventure because we're not sure where we're going. We don't know what to expect. I don't know if there's a hike that is going to I don't know if we're going to end up on a hike. I hope not. Hope it's a situation like Grandpa Falls where we just, you know, park and you reach. Super convenient. So stick around for the ride. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
Alright guys, we reach Hunt Hill now, so we're making our way to the river. We'll park at the front, and there is supposed to be a little walk. You know, hopefully it is not long. So yeah, let's go. See the chicken there. Say one morning. Morning, chick. Morning. Morning.
Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
guys, so we just see the first stop and now we're going to see the second one so we can choose where we want to spend the day. Take on its time. Wanna alright? Oh, it's nice.
Nice.
Yeah, up here some more kid friendly, I guess. We're rich.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, some more kid friendly.
Water plus
Look at this. Alright guys, so we reach, as you can see, it's right behind us. We're gonna stay here for a while and then we go down to the deep park because we have the kids, so you know you have to make them enjoy themselves first. So yeah, let me just give you a montage of the place.
All the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
It's cool. I know that is dead. That is temperature. So crocodile now go there. Don't. I trouble that trouble her. We just have trouble her.
That's how come we so far. It's not cool.
The water, you know, you don't come to.
Daddy can go from soon.
Get over.
Just go on up there. I might go down there. We have to make the people them enjoy themselves first. And so when you're appearing, you know, sadly you have to split your time. So the children.
I might water this.
Go on up there, no man. Make it beat down. Alright, Tarzan. Alright guys, so we reached the first spot that we're gonna stay at so the kids can enjoy themselves. And then we're gonna go to the big people part. You know? We just let them go and wet up. Yeah. already don't stop that. My girl said she had drones.
Watch your love for like it. Why not more than your body, check it. Push it in, yeah, in my dick. Top of the ceiling, kill the fat. Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in there for you. I'm a damn easy, baby. I want to give me control. Even want to get hurt. I'ma make up my eye. I'ma need your candle. I go my eye. I'ma need your candle. Do maybe. I don't want to say do maybe. Maybe don't go body better. Do maybe. They wanna me see yeah. Don't see baby. Make a call. Fine girl.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go down to the deep part now. The children, you guys had your fun. Oh no, don't want to live. But anyway, adult time now, okay? So bye. Say bye to the children. Alright guys, so we reached the second spot and it is beautiful. Okay?
Everybody go to breakfast.
It's a thing.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by fountain without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's with the talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the bad cry, oh. Don't cry, oh. I did what I got when them kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make with that pain all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't last. Everybody can try.
You know this. Oh, just please Guys, it's raining, so we gotta pack up and go. So sad. Who that? Them are ready for go away, guys. Look, rain, the rain all done. Them no so them in a rain forest. Alright guys, we made it to the end of another epic vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.